Stock number 40865P is a 2011 Toyota Tacoma. Hit really hard in the front and the rollover. Fuse box doesn't look to be good. This thing pushed in the clutch fan and fan clutch, so it's bent. It will not start. All the cooling is damaged. All the front end is damaged and gone. Left fender is no good. This wheel looks to be okay. "16" left front door is damaged. It's no good. Left rear door is no good. Driver's wheel airbag is no good, but the passenger dash bag is good. Both roof airbags are both deployed. They're no good. The left front seatbelt is no good. Stuck. This bedside has some damage on the bottom right there. Bent. Has a dent right here. Left tail light is good. The rear bumper has a couple of dents, one on each side, and then it's got this big dent right here. Tail light is no good. It's cracked and scuffed up pretty deep. Tailgate is good. Back glass looks to be good. And this bedside is no good. Back door on the passenger side is damaged. It's no good. Front door is no good. And this front fender is bent everywhere. No good. This is the driver's front. Sorry, passenger front, passenger rear. Console is ripped out. Aftermarket Sony stereo. obviously the windshield is no good. This mirror has some paint issues, peeling paint. Seat is damaged, ripped up. (40865P) 2011 Toyota Tacoma.